Namaskar. Do you know how many times in a day you catch yourself scrolling endlessly every day, fidgeting with your pen or shaking your legs without even realizing it? We live in such a restless world that even sitting still for 2 minutes feels like a challenge. And when the body can't sit steady, the mind also keeps running in circles. Even psychologists say that our mind wanders almost half the time we are awake, about 47% of the day, and that the reason you feel distracted, restless, and mentally exhausted. But there is a simple 2 minute yogic habit that can rewire this restless mind. A habit that requires no fancy setup, no apps, no equipments, just you sitting still like a rock. This practice is called as Kaya Sthairyam. Kaya means body, Sthairyam means stability. Together, it means steadiness of the body. This is the first step towards meditation. Stay with me till the end, where I will guide you through a short Kaya Sthairyam meditation. Actually, Kaya Sthairyam is very simple but powerful practice. In this, you just make a decision. For a short period of time, you will not move your body at all. Just like the rock does not shift, you too remaining unmoving. You may find that sitting still just for 2 minutes, you can train your mind for patience, discipline, and balance in every situation. You need to train your willpower and achieve emotional control. If you cannot control small movements of the body, how you will control the big reactions of the mind? If you are a practitioner of yoga, you should read Maharshi Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. In this text, there is a sutra which states, Sthira Sukham Asanam. Posture should be steady and comfortable. Kaya Sthairyam is the practice which brings this sutra into life, because without steadiness of your body, meditation is impossible. There is no reference to this practice. Also, in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, verse 13, which describes the yogi as sitting steadily, holding the body, neck, and head erect, gazing steadily at the tip of the nose. Samam kaya shirogrivam dharayan chalam sthirah sampreksha nasikagram swam dishascha navalokayan. This is nothing but Kaya Sthairyam, a physical steadiness, which is the foundation for higher awareness. A modern neuroscience also says that even a few minutes of physical illness lowers your heart rate, calms your nervous system, and reduces stress hormones. Did you know that there is a default mode network in our brains? It is a part that makes us overthink. This starts to become quiet when your body becomes still. So don't expect your mind to become steady on its own. Begin with your body. If your body and breath is steady, your mind automatically becomes steady. This practice is possible for everyone, for students, homemakers, to professionals. Many people say to me that my mind is too restless and I cannot meditate. Don't fight with the mind first. Start with the body. Now I'll guide you into Kaya Sthairyam meditation. I encourage you to experience it yourself as I speak. Wherever you are, first sit comfortably, close your eyes, keep your back straight. Place your hands gently on your knees. Make a firm decision that for next 2 minutes I will not move my body. Imagine yourself like a mountain, strong and still. If thoughts come, witness them and let them pass. This is called as Sakshi Bhav. If an itch, ache, or urge to move comes in, simply notice it, but do not move. Gently remind yourself, I am steady, I am still. Observe your natural breath flowing in and out. Continue like this for some times. Your breath in and out, in and out. Now slowly take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. Rub your palms, place them on your eyes, and gently open them with a smile. This was Kaya Sthairyam. You see, so simple, yet so deep. We have seen that Dr. Jayadev Yogendra, who led our yoga institute for many years, lived Kaya Sthairyam not just in practice, but in his lifestyle. He could sit for hours in complete stillness with a calm presence that filled the room. And even beyond meditation, this steadiness extended into daily living. It was in the way he spoke slowly, in the way he responded thoughtfully, and in the way he carried himself. For him, Kaya Sthairyam was not just for 2 minutes, it was a way of life. Even if you don't have time for long meditation, a few minutes of Kaya Sthairyam daily can train your nervous system. Start with only 2 minutes daily, and later you may extend it for more time. You will notice the changes in your mind. It's like rewiring of your mind. It's a wonderful practice, and you can change your ways in life with mastery over your mind. Namaskar.